Indian Army Day is celebrated every year on the 15th of January to honor the bravery, sacrifice, and professionalism of the Indian Army. This day marks a historic moment in 1949 when Field Marshal K. M. Cariappa took over as the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army, replacing the last British commander, General Sir Francis Butcher. It symbolizes India's military independence and pride. The Indian Army is one of the largest and most disciplined armies in the world. Its primary role is to protect the sovereignty, unity, and territorial integrity of India. From guarding the icy heights of Siachen Glacier to the scorching deserts of Rajasthan, Indian soldiers serve in the most challenging conditions. On Indian Army Day, grand parades, military demonstrations, and award ceremonies are organized, mainly in New Delhi and other military commands. Soldiers showcase their combat skills, advanced weapons, tanks, missiles, and modern technology. Gallantry awards such as Sena Medal, Param, Vishisht Seva Medal, and Adi Vishisht Seva Medal are conferred to honor extraordinary courage and dedication. The Indian Army has played a crucial role not only in wars, but also in nation-building and disaster management. It has defended the country in major conflicts, such as the Indo-Pak Wars of 1947, 65, 71, and the Kargil War of 1999. Apart from war duties, the Army actively participates in rescue and relief operations during floods, earthquakes, cyclones, and other natural disasters. Another important aspect of the Indian Army is its contribution to United Nations peacekeeping missions. India is one of the largest contributors of troops to UN peacekeeping forces across the world. This reflects India's commitment to global peace, security, and humanitarian values. Indian soldiers have earned worldwide respect for their professionalism, discipline, and compassion. Indian Army Day also highlights the values and ethos of the Army: discipline, courage, loyalty, unity, and secularism. Soldiers come from diverse regions, religions, and cultures, yet they fight as one force under the national flag. The Army truly reflects the motto, service before self, placing duty to the nation above personal comfort and safety. For civilians, Army Day is an opportunity to express gratitude and respect towards soldiers and their families. Behind every soldier stands a family that silently endures separation, uncertainty, and sacrifice. Remembering their contribution is equally important. In conclusion, Indian Army Day is not just a ceremonial event. It is a day of national pride, remembrance, and inspiration. It reminds every citizen that the freedom and security we enjoy today come at the cost of immense sacrifice. By honoring the Indian Army, we strengthen our sense of patriotism and responsibility toward the nation. Saluting the Indian Army means saluting courage, sacrifice, and the spirit of India itself.